Aisha, do you understand this topic?
Which topic are you talking about, Maria?
This one, the main issues in understanding nature.
Oh, that one. I've read it last night.
So, what are the main issues that we need to know in order to understand nature?
Actually, there are many issues that have been pointed out in Holy Quran, which are in connection with natural phenomena. For easy understanding, we're going to divide them into three. First, the origin and evolution of beings and phenomena. Second, the discovery of order, coordination and purpose in nature. And lastly, making a legitimate use of natural means. To understand certain natural phenomena, we should try to discover the origin and evolution of it. Like the creation of the universe, from where it began and how it evolved from there.
You're right. In Quran already stated that
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أولم يرى الذين كفروا أن السماوات والأرض كانتا رتقا ففتقناهما وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء حي أفلا يؤمنون.
Okay, good. Next, we need to discover the order, coordination and purpose in nature. Allah has created everything according to its own order in order to serve some purposes.
do you mean like the solar system? The entire planets revolve around the sun and never collide with each other, like Allah had mentioned in the Quran.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
والشمس تجري لمستقر لها ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم.
Good, you're starting to grasp this topic already. However, we must not forget that we need to make a rightful use of natural means provided by Allah. For example, like food. Every time we eat, we should realize where it comes from, and to Allah we should be thankful.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
ولقد مكناكم في الأرض وجعلنا لكم فيها معايش قليلا ما تشكرون.
Now, I have better understanding about the topic. Thank you so much, Aisha.